So, as Mr. Sumit mentioned, we'll first cover upon what the key insights are as far as the emerging and changing youth of today is concerned. The first insight, if you look at it, is that he's a multi-purpose, multitasker. It seems a bit of a tongue twister, but simply put, it means so. Therefore, he needs a bike that promises versatility, that promises brute power, and that promises performance. A bike that promises versatility, brute power, and performance. And for a bike that promises all of these and much more, introducing, ladies and gentlemen, the Pulsar Adventure Sport. May I request for the audio visual as far as the Pulsar Adventure Sport is concerned, and the Pulsar AS 150. And it possesses and unleashes a brute power of 23.5 PS, which is 20 to 30% more than competition, and a muscular tank. And it's got this extended touring windscreen to prevent wind blast. A projector headlamp. The high intensity projector headlamp is for superior lighting, and with this bike, darkness can never stop the adventure. It is not present in any 200cc or below bike as far as the competition is concerned. It comes with a perimeter frame that provides for high stiffness, low flex for the sharpest handling, and therefore with this perimeter frame, one can conquer the trickiest of terrains. It provides immense control to the biker, and therefore the trickiest of terrains can be conquered with elan. A nitrox mono suspension is very much an integral part of this bike. The modern high-performance monoshock gives a perfect balance, and it provides for immense stability as well. It's got a longest wheelbase in its category, 1363 millimeters, and it provides class-leading stability. The brakes, the AS200 comes with a front 280 millimeter front disc brake and a 230 millimeter rear disc brake. The exciting colors, the blue, the black, and the red. The pricing, which is an introductory pricing, AS200 comes at 93,473 ex Hyderabad, and the AS150 comes at 80,968. So, this is the Pulsar Adventure Sport, ladies and gentlemen. The adventure never stops with this bike. So that was a bike to serve the youth insight number 1, which is the multi-purpose multitasker. There is yet another youth insight. This is youth insight number 2, which is that the urban youth desires premium and international products. He desires products with a world-class appeal, products which have got cutting-edge, inspiring design, and a lifestyle that thrills.